field of smart technology in Indiana is rapidly expanding. From several surveys with organizations such as the Indiana Chamber, Central Indiana Corporate Partnership, and more, we've seen rates as high as 50 to 60% of manufacturers stating that they plan to invest in Industry 4.0 and smart technology in the next 3 to 5 years. My name is Leighton Johnson, and I am the Assistant Vice President for Employer Connections at Ivy Tech Community College. Smart technology is any sort of equipment that integrates computing, information technology in a way that then carries out tasks for individuals. In the sense of traditional welding, an individual will take the welding parts, the elements that weld products together, and they would manually adjust, line up, and conduct the weld themselves. In the sense of smart technology, we introduce robotics into the process, and through that, the technology itself is guiding and managing the weld, while then we would have a robotic welder, an individual who is monitoring and assessing quality of the weld, able to work across more production lines, more technologies at once. Nationally, Indiana is the most manufacturing intensive state. Indiana is just a state that makes things, and we continue to do it well. And with the introduction of smart technology, we're even incorporating and embedding that further so we can make things even better. Conexus Indiana is a nonprofit here in the state of Indiana that supports our statewide manufacturing and logistics sectors, thinking about how do we increase our competitive advantage, upskill the workforce, even think about what are some of those economic trends and areas that our state should be focused on to make priorities. Ivy Tech and Conexus partnered to launch the Digital Skills for Smart Manufacturing initiative as a way to better understand the needs of industry within our state. We came together to begin conducting site visits across the state and really starting to look at where are those opportunities to enhance Ivy Tech's already existing delivery of smart manufacturing training, and even to look at where are some of the new areas that we can develop new training to help upskill future needs as well.